Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to add Payoneer account to Amazon affiliate account. So guys, watch till the end as I show you a step-by-step guide, and I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So guys, log in into Amazon associate account first and just simply go to the dashboard, and from there guys, just simply go ahead and click your email at the top of the page, and from there just simply go to the account settings. And once you are on the account settings, you can just simply click on the change payment method, and after that guys, just simply go ahead and select pay me by direct deposit. So this will be a United States based associates only guys. And guys, after that, just simply copy and paste the details from the USD tab in Payoneer. And after that, guys, just make sure to match the corresponding sections from the Pioneer page with the sections in the form as well. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, guys, and if you understand more about this topic, please leave a like and comment down below if you have any question, and we'll try our best to answer them. And thanks for watching. See ya.